Yeah.
This is a
We've
5-year
got a big. Is that right?
Hey, we got a big crowd.
Five-year effort. Is that right?
Stephen Ryan Labs.
Great to see you. Thanks for being here. Appreciate it. I mean, we got a big crowd. Keep coming in. So yeah, keep coming
Should I
in.
get closer here?
You're great. You're great. You are good.
Yeah, maybe.
My cat wanted me to bring you a chew for Peter,
Oh,
but I lost it along the
that
way.
is okay. I will pass on the good. My kids will appreciate it. Anytime they hear about, they run that page. They love hearing anyone who knows Peter. Yeah, he's a popular cat.
He seems like a really sweet cat.
He's a pretty sweet cat. He's pretty good. Yeah, he's great.
I would love to have a button.
I helped with,
Thank you, everybody.
I helped with California, and I was the first one to get the AG to take some action on the company
awesome.
of California.
Wonderful. Yeah, that's great.
Oh, you want me to like support?
Yeah.
This poor thing
Thanks
is
again.
looking a little ragged.
All right, are we ready to go? All right. Hey, good afternoon, everybody. Thank you so much for being here. I really appreciate everybody's hard work on this legislation. It's great to see you, and we're going to get started. So, and feel free to step on up. You can fill in this space. Afterwards, we'll be taking a picture, so don't be shy about filling in the space here. Consumers should be able to affordably repair their electronic products instead of being forced to buy new ones. House Bill 1483 ensures they have the option to fix what they own. For Washingtonians, a right to repair their products will save them money and help reduce electronic waste. My understanding, this has been a multi-year effort to get this legislation to the finish line. So I'm going to be asking our prime sponsor, and that is State Representative Mia Gregerson, if she wants to say just a few words in a moment. We also appreciate the companion sponsor, that is State Senator Derek Stanford. But I just want to say before I ask the representative if she wants to say a few words is, we understand bills like this, that in this case sounds like it took several years, 5 years, to get to the finish line. That 8 years. I'm underselling it. 8 years. 8 years. Thank you. And that's a lot of work. And legislators have an important role to play, but obviously there's a very important role from individuals who speak and share their personal stories and testify and talk to legislators. It's an awful lot of work, and it sounds like on this particular legislation took an awful lot of persistence. So I just really want to say thanks to each and every one of you for your hard work. Do you want to say just a few words?
Thank you, Governor. Thank you so much. And I just want to say thank you for hosting everyone today and allowing us to go first. I want to pay recognition that this is a win for every person in Washington State. We all know that we want to keep our devices longer. We want to be able to connect with our loved ones. It is very difficult to actually replace due to cost. The amount of electronic waste is filling up our streams and hurting this earth. So I'm very proud of the community of Washington State in stepping up, and thank you again for your leadership.
Thank you so much. So it's really my honor to sign this legislation into law and appreciate all the hard work of everybody here. And let's give Representative Gregerson and all of yourselves a big round of applause. And we'll take a photo right here.
Right here on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. I'm going to do one more photo. 1, 2, 3.
Can we do one more with the
Absolutely.
wrench?
Oh, yeah.
Okay. The people really want this.
Let's do
How
it,
do you
yeah.
want it, Charlie? Just
That's
like
good.
this? Okay.
All right.
The wrench in.
1, 2, 3. Perfect.
Got to have the
Thank you.
prop.
Got the
Thanks so
wrench.
much. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you
Really
very much,
appreciate it.
everyone.
Okay, so, and you're staying right there. And so we're going to go to our next bill. I think some of you are staying for this next one, I think. Is that right? Wonderful.
I think the wheelchair people as possible should be in front.
And they,
Can you fix the captioning? I don't know what's being said and it just stopped.
oh, my apologies. We will check on that. My apologies. Thanks. I know we had it set up, but maybe something went wrong. So give us 1 minute, and we'll see if we can get the captioning set. I know they had it set up on running tests earlier, so that is too bad if that's not.
There we go. Screen's back.
Maybe, let's give it 1 minute. Is that, we got to clear off, something's on the screen there that blocks it. And it looks like there's some, so we're going to give this 1 moment, just see if we can get the technology figured out. Are we good on that, or are we waiting for?
They were,
Grace is communicating with the
captioner, they were scheduled for 52 and not still.
5232, which was the one we just did?
The next one. The next one is the.
I'm on 5680 right now, right?
yes, sure.
All set? Wonderful. Thanks for the help on that. And can I go ahead now, or they've got it? Okay, wonderful. Thanks so much. Thanks again for those who were here for the previous bill and folks who have joined us for this one as well. And Mia, feel free to step right on up. So Senate Bill 5680 establishes the right to repair for mobility equipment like wheelchairs and mobility scooters. This allows Washingtonians with physical disabilities to ensure their necessary devices are repaired in a timely fashion instead of being forced to use independent repair providers. I appreciate the strong bipartisan support for this important legislation. We appreciate everybody who made this legislation possible, many of whom are the individuals who are joining us here today. We also appreciate the prime sponsor of this legislation, Senator Drew Hansen. Thank you, sir. And thank you to Representative Mia Gregerson for sponsoring the companion bill. Drew, do you want to add a few words?
Yes, because it's rare that I get to correct the governor at a bill signing. Although my name is on the bill that went to his desk, the real moving bill was
Okay.
Representative Gregerson's bill, who did all the work on it and all the policy labor, although mine was the one that made it across the finish line. This is another extraordinary Gregerson project. I want to give a lot of glory to my constituent, Dr. Marcia Cutting, who was there for all of the bill hearings
Thanks so much.
and is here today and was just relentless in her advocacy, care, and determination to make this really important bill into law. So thank you so much to you.
Thanks, Drew. Appreciate it. Mia, anything you want to add to that?
I just want to say thank you to those with lived experience. We were able to hold on the right policy here. We tried, and so thanks to everyone for your patience on that.
And that it's a very important point. I've said it 1,000 times probably that been in politics a long time. And the most effective form, I think, of communication to a county council where I used to serve or a state legislature is, to your point, sort of personal experience, right? Folks who are impacted by laws, what that means for them and their lives. And I think that is what causes elected officials to sit up, listen, and pay attention. So thank you, Marcia, for your hard work. If it's okay with our sponsors, I will use 3 pens for this one because it sounds like, Marcia, you were very involved in this legislation. So thank you for your help with that. And my friend Drew Hansen was being a little bit modest, but we know, give him a round of applause as well for his hard work. And let's all take a photo, everybody.
Okay, right here on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. And do one more photo. 1, 2, 3.
And
Wonderful.
do you want the wrench with the wheelchair users to hold it?
Oh, sorry, we need one more. Sorry, we forgot the wrench. One more time.
The wrench.
The wrench, there we go.
Yeah.
Let's do it one more time.
1, 2, 3. Perfect.
Thank you.
Thanks so much, everybody. Really appreciate
Thank
it. Yeah, thanks for being here. Appreciate it.
Okay.
Thank you so much. Appreciate it. Yeah, yeah.
Glad I could make it.
Yeah, yeah. Thanks, Nate. That was great. Yeah. Thanks so much for being here, everybody.
Go team right
The easiest way out is this way over here. So take your time. We got plenty of time. Take your time.
We managed to do
All right, we go. Thank you.
That's what the Senate said to me, no problem.
This is not the Senate, this is the executive branch.
Wonderful. Thank you. Appreciate it. Thank you.
To get a photo?
Of course. Yeah.
Okay, 1 second, I'm gonna grab my camera.
You bet. Is it on this one here? Where do you? Oh, bring it over. Okay.
Just in case you wanted a right
Oh, awesome. I do. I collect pins of all kinds, so I love them. Yeah. Thank you so much. Really appreciate it. Thanks for bringing the wrench. Watch your step behind you there. Yeah. Thanks so much. Yeah, I really appreciate it.
Yeah, sure.
Great. Let's do it. You ready? Okay.
Can I be next?
Yeah, absolutely. That's perfect. How's that? Yeah. Thanks. Appreciate it. Yeah.
Thank you so much.
You bet. Okay.
Oh, we're gonna take photos and stuff. Did you tell people that?
Yeah, that's they were sexually
Okay.
And Lewis. Lewis told me to come.
Oh, Louis Rossman, all right.
Thanks a lot. Thanks so much. Appreciate it. Yeah. Sure. Yeah. Thank you. Thank you. Appreciate it.
Yeah, sorry.
Thanks again. Have a great day. Thank you. Appreciate it. Yeah. Thank you.
Now I gotta bug the AG.
There you go. Thanks again. Appreciate it.